Goodwood, of course, it's all about enthusiasts from every walk of life. And Adam, I normally see you over in the States and you're busy and you're running around and you come here and people are after you because you drive really cool cars. I mean,
yeah.
it's just about enthusiasm, isn't it?
It's nothing but, and I've never felt like less of a celebrity. Although now I feel a little bit better,
You're
Justin,
feeling like
because you came by. But it's so funny because you walk from the driver's hospitality suite, and it's a big line of autograph seekers. And I got Brian Redmond in front of me and Magnus Walker behind me, and I just walk right by, and they're besieged by people.
What are people coming out? If someone sees you with this car, they probably just come to talk to you as the car owner, right, and the driver.
Oh, I got one of the best compliments I've ever got yesterday when I was up at the top of the hill, and they're like, "Whose car is this?" And I was like, "It's my car." And they went, "Oh, okay." The guy thought I was, a hired gun, which is the greatest compliment ever. But yeah, no one would let me drive this car unless it was my car. Even I might not let me drive this car.
Well, you never let me drive it. What makes Goodwood, I mean, it really is unique. It's very different to Monterey, isn't it? Goodwood is the only one.
Well, it's such an event, and where a lot of the other events are a lot about the driving, this is all about the experience. Though going up that driveway, I mean, when it starts getting really narrow at the end and the turbo's kicking in and,
And you're in one of these.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure how wide this car is, but it seems
It wasn't built for British country roads.
Right, and the hay bales seem to get tighter as you go faster, It's quite an experience. And, Vin Diesel lives his life a quarter mile at a time. Mm-hmm. I live my life one Duke's driveway at a time.
That's a measurement.
Yeah, that's how I measure my life. It's not even really about the speed, it's this, are we into it? You know what I mean? Yeah. Are we revved up? Are we on the boost? Like, can they hear? They want to hear that car go by and get on the boost, So for me, it's like, slow it down around the corners and then I'll see it a little straight away in the grandstands. I was trying to get on the boost.
You give them what they ask for.
I give them what they ask for.
Yeah. What would you say is the defining thing about the emotion here?
I would say, especially coming from the States and, they have no idea about these cars, and these cars here are just like a small sample of what's up that hill. And I just tell them, you have no idea what's going on just across the pond. It's like, it's Burning Man and Woodstock for cars. Whenever I talk to a guy who says, "Oh, I'm a huge enthusiast. Oh, I'm a gearhead." Oh, and I go, "You ever been to Goodwood?" And they go, No, I haven't. And I go,
No, you haven't. You're not a member of the club.
You're not a member of the club, man.